in order for me to have a rough idea of how to sketch those 6 points for each of the equation that is here, what I've done is I plug in values, okay, and draw actual graphs on my graphing calculator. Since the question says that A is positive and B is negative, so I just let A be, let's say, 1 and B is negative 1. When I plug into my calculator, I let my calculator tell me, the rough shape that this graph is going to be. Okay, so if I were to, for example, this, when I put it into my graphing calculator, the shape that I'm getting, it is something that is like this. Since this question asks me to only display x and y values that are positive, so I'm extracting out this region here and replicating it here by replacing the curve by 6 dots. I'll do the same thing for the other two. For example, for this, I chose C to be positive 1 and D to be negative 1. The graph that I'm going to be getting from my graphing calculator is something that is like this. And since x and y must be positive, this is the region that I want, replacing this curve by 6 dots. This is the scatter diagram that I will expect, if C is positive and D is negative. And for that last curve, once again, I'll just let E to be positive 1 and F to be negative 1. This is the graph that I sketched onto my graphing calculator. The graph that I am getting, it is something that is like this. There's a horizontal asymptote. So anyway, it is something that is like this. So this is the region that I take, because x and y are supposed to be positive. So this is the scatter diagram that I will expect for this equation.